it's your girl Sweet Curly Goddess, and I am coming to you today with an unboxing video. It's your girl, not really unboxing, but talking about Boxy Charms month, road tripping for the month of July. So for the most part, y'all is road tripping on vacation, yes, and Boxy Charm was trying to appeal to our better nature by letting us know that they have products that they want us to take on the road with us. So I'm actually going to start off with the first product because there are two variations, or not the first one, product that there's two variations of. So in this month, you either receive the Tarte Cosmetic Refresher spray, which is the setting spray, or you receive the Crown, yes, the Crown Pro palette. And I've been playing with it, so that's the reason why it's already messy. So I won't lie, I actually did want the setting spray a little bit more than I wanted the eyeshadow palette because I got a lot of those. But it's okay. I'm still loving this. I think that the colors are absolutely wonderful. They're beautiful. There are actually 6 matte shadows and 4 shimmer shadows. And this is actually at a value of $29.99. So it's the Crown Brush shadow from the Fuego eyeshadow collection. And these colors are really litty. My face is litty too. I actually really like them. So my favorite colors are probably these over here. I really like them. So I can't wait to play with this eyeshadow palette to see what those colors look like. They actually look really great on. So I'm just going to swatch. I can see myself using them for the summer. I can see myself using them in the winter. Like, these colors are colors that can be very versatile. So here you go. I'm gonna turn it around. So the bottom is actually the shimmer, and the this one up top is actually the matte. And so I really like this palette. The next thing that I'm going to talk about is the Dr. Brandt No More Baggage. Now, I have no bags under my eyes, so I won't lie, I won't have a use for that. This is actually a value of $42. It says, say goodbye to puffy and say hello to youthful. So if you have some puffy ness underneath your eyes, I suggest you use this. This is a value of $42, and Dr. Brandt's products are pretty perfect. When I say pretty perfect, they are. I absolutely love them. So if I had bags, I'd be using this. My favorite product out of this box, I'm going to show you a before and after picture because I absolutely love this. Love, 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 love this. So this is the Unleash mascara, from Wander Beauty. And this is at a value, I really like this. It looks very simple. It's actually at a value of $24, and I'd pay for it. So I'm going to show you the before and after picture right up here so that you can see the, it looks like you have falsies on. It gives you the volume that you want, not too much volume. There's no clumping. It's just really nice. It says a black and intensely glossy mascara will bring your lashes to new heights. It literally did bring me up to the heavens. Like, I was just like, what is this? I love this. It was absolutely beautiful. $24? You better copy yours. Boom. Now, this is the Luminous Silk Compact Blusher from Note Cosmetics. It's actually at a value of $11.99. I am typically a creamy blush person. I like how it just slides on with the cream. However, I am not opposed to a powder or blush. Oh, it actually comes with its own little blusher thing. And it's so beautiful. Like, can you focus? Do you see that? Yes. So anybody who knows me knows that I'm all about packaging. I love the way that a package is set up. You have me for life if your package is bomb. And I love that little note. It's cute. So I think that this color, it's actually called Dessert Rose. And I think this color will look good on anybody. And it does. Look at that. I already have blush on. I kind of covered it up with this. It looks good. It actually goes with the look. So I usually do darker blushes is what I do for my like daily, because I like darker blushes. And this is cute. I like it. $11.99. You worth it, girl. You worth it. And then last but not least is the Chella Beauty Eyebrow Cream. It is a creamy eyebrow stick, basically. Very easy to travel with. Now I'm going to start with what I love about it. So I actually love the packaging of it, because you have the product at the bottom, you have the brush at the top, and it's easy to carry with you. Easy, easy, easy. I love that. Now what I do not love is the color that it comes off of. Like, it just... So my eyebrows are done. They look a little bit better than what they did before. I still don't absolutely love them, but you can actually see here the difference in color. So I already swatched it to see if it dries down a different color. But this up top is my typical one that I use from Sheramoya. And then this one is the Chella brand. This is just gray, and I don't really like that. So it's a taupe color. I want to check out to see if they have other colors, to see how... Are you going to focus, camera? Okay. To see if it actually changes. So this is probably my least favorite product because of the color that's in the pack. I'm not going to use this on a daily basis because I will cry if my eyebrows are jacked up because of a color. Anyways, all in all, the value of this box is actually $134. So specifically, I think $133.98. And that's a really, really, really good deal. You're getting a box of beauty products for only $21, and it's actually at a value of $100. That's a really good deal. I really like it. So I don't have too much complaints about this box besides, yeah. But anyways, guys, so if you guys have a Boxy charm, let me know. Leave some comments down below. Let's have a conversation started. Do you like this month's Boxy charm, Road Trippin? What is your favorite product? And what is your favorite product to take on your road trip? What do you like to take on your road trip? Anyways, so if you didn't, when you started this video, hit the subscribe button. Share this video. Leave some likes and leave some comments. And let everybody know Sweet Curly Guy sent you. Bye.